Yo, what's up, YouTube? Back another reaction, and this is Wu-Tang Clan reacting to the 2026 Underground Sound Cipher. Underground Cipher. I don't understand what all the sound is. We already understand the rappers because it's the cipher. This is 42 CEO, and the only niggas I know is I think this is Captain Swag, and that's too slimy. AKA a whole bunch of bums. They're underground for a reason. Last underground was decent though, but yeah, this one. What the fuck just happened? But oh yeah, okay, let's get into it.
I'm 42, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cipher.
Huh? Come on, what's this pause? Come on, bro. All these verses were recorded in 24 hours prior to the production of the cipher. Every artist had 2 hours to record. So it's not even true to the cipher.
Swag.
All right.
Swag. 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 Swag.
Yeah, this is definitely Captain Swag.
Count swag, swag, count swag, trapping, count swag, booming, count swag, swixing, count swag, coming to your trap with Mac 11, count swag for your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walking to your trap with no socks. You the type of
wow.
nigga to get groomed, don't roll black. My shooter schizophrenic.
Nigga, what the fuck? Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
No.
Oh my goodness, Valentine!
No.
Whoa, no!
What the fuck?
That boy think that he in black ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't
Okay.
so hard, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick,
Okay.
and the nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so geeked up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag.
Okay. Well, I mean, he really geeked up then.
Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been out flexing me, nigga? I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Talk crazy.
Hey.
This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway.
Okay. That's fire. Who you know in Norway? Who is this? Hollow Tip Ho? Hero. My bad. Why is it so low? It's an ass fit too, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Well, Captain Swag had swags. Wait a minute, I'm listening. Virginia Beach? Hey, rep it. Okay. Louis Vuitton with the Glock the match? Alright. Who is this young fella? Lad. Okay, hold up. Okay, hold up. Okay. Alright. Now this decent, this decent. Oh God, get out of here. Facts. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your heart? I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a leg. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. Okay. That was actually decent. That's the best one so far. That's the best one so far. Raining LOL.
Bitch, I'm in your breast, yeah. Bitch, I'm kinda chest. Whoa, I'ma put a leg flat. Hit him money spread, yo. Hit a stanky leg, bitch. Now I'm kinda guap around the we got content.
Jeez Louise. This beats I hate stereotypical underground beats. Like, why can't underground just mean a nigga's unknown? Why does it have to be like it sounds like a nigga made this beat underground? Like a literal sense. Like what? Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This nigga think he Ian? What's his name? Hold up. Talinawa? Inwa. I fucking don't know, bro. Why this white boy decent though? He a ginger, maybe that's why. Nah, he sliding, I ain't gonna lie. He's been doing his homework. Okay. That is decent. Freeforms. That's second best for sure. Nigga, what? Hillary? They be freeforms though. What is this? Bro, what is this, chat? My bad, I think I'm hella too far. Yo, you lying? Your nose big? I got Draco for these niggas? Bro, what are we listening to? A shell catcher? You signed me? Oh no. Live yet? What? Wait, hold up, wait a minute. The voice is there. Wait a minute, I'm trying to figure this out. No, man, no, bro. Why are you running from the beat, bro? Why? Why are you running? Why are you running?
For the church got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas right around me. And it's 13 y'all 26. Look, all the niggas are funny.
Yeah, bro, don't quit your day job. Oh hell nah, two sign me. I hate this nigga, bro. Max, I don't ever want to see y'all two in the same room ever again. This is general like era assault. Like the beat is assault, and then he's assaulting me rapping on this type of beat. Like him listening to this and thinking this is something a nigga would want to listen to. This is how I know for a fact it can't be anybody over the age of like 16 consuming this. Cause what the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? You're not telling me you're working a full-time job, or you don't do any sort of narcotics, and this is the music you consume. There's no way. There's no way. You have to be a child. Look. Throw one of these.
Ho ho ho.
Plug. What that mean, nigga?
There you go. Hold up. Like, oh my god, bro, don't ever let him touch the mic again, please. 6 bill. Okay. Nah, yeah, this is automatically yeah, he's staying underground. Bro said the big give me Kirk. Boy, slow down. We got the out like dirt. Just like Ruby work. I mean, he's flowing. He understands it, but okay. Nah, he top 3. Nah, hold up. It's him. No, it's these 3. I think they're all next to each other. No cap. Actually, yeah. Matt Proxy. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women. Proxy next to Finn. It feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class. Yeah. I know this nigga music gotta be asked, cause this nigga's purposely pitting these dreads, the dreads chat that are at the back of your head up like this. But you're not cool when you put these dreadlocks in the front. Put them Johns back down. If it's not a hot tap, bro, stop pushing them forward. Stop pushing them forward. You're not cool. I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting. Those dreads are supposed to sit over here. Why is the dread that sits over here sitting like this? Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it. Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to jug, but jugging niggas is a. Y'all niggas is so lame, bro. Y'all niggas is ass. We got Big Give Me Kirk. Put the bit underneath Colin Kaepernick. Niggas is a disgrace. 2020 vision as a kid, I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the 4-step and the clapping. Bro, these niggas had 2 hours and couldn't figure out how to hop on beat. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. The speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up in bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. What? I got you, gang. I got you. Yeah, Brody, I might not. I can't. I don't think I can listen to another one of these until this niggas I know. I mean, I knew 2 of the niggas and Captain Swag got some bangers. Two Simon, it definitely don't, but Captain Swag got some. Yeah, Captain Swag actually got bangers. Two Simon does not have bangers.